Wow, impressive. I didn't realize that CO2, Earth's oxygen of life, was at such low levels that it was holding back the growth of trees, plants, and phytoplankton, affecting all life, even marine life. This map shows green where land has been greening and brown where it hasn't. As you can see, greening has been happening around the world as CO2, Earth's oxygen of life, has risen.
From the edges of deserts, grasslands, forests, and wilderness, the growth of plants and trees increased along with their friend, CO2, Earth's oxygen of life. But there are exceptions. Specific latitudes have weather realities that can stress flora, core desert areas prevent flora growth, and human land use policies that lack restoration and wildfire control can also have huge impacts, as seen in central Russia.
This map color codes leaf area records from NASA. Brown shows sparse grasses, yellow more dense grasses and vegetation, green shows trees, and dark green shows dense forests. The NASA records through time show that thanks to the rise in CO2, Earth's oxygen of life, that grasslands are taking hold around deserts. Trees are growing at higher elevations, and trees and vegetation are growing earlier and denser, providing more food and habitat for wildlife and endangered species.
The change is visible. Let's cycle back and forth the NASA photos of 2001 and 2024.
Now let's look at different ecosystems.
2001,
2024,
2001,
2024,
2001,
2024,
2001,
2024,
2001,
2024,
2001,
2024,
2001,
2024,
2001,
2024,
2001.
2024.
CO2, Earth's oxygen of life, helps all different types of ecosystems, even ecosystems in the seas. All life in the seas. Yes, even corals depend on CO2. Algae, marine plants that provide coral their color, are a plant type that is much healthier at higher levels of CO2. The climate activist goal of net zero was for many biospheric scientists the last straw in giving climate theorists the time to correct their theory on climate change. This is why.
Oh my. I didn't realize the reversing CO2 levels reverses all the greening of Earth.
We need to continue to restore CO2, Earth's oxygen of life, back to the air so all life on Earth can flourish.
You deserve the truth. I hope you found that very interesting.